Hi there, this video is going to show you how to take your SketchUp files that are saved on your hard drive over your computer, whether it's your desktop or laptop, and how to upload those files into your Office 365 OneDrive cloud account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find where your files are located at. So you can click this little folder icon at the bottom of your screen, and you can click on where you saved all of your SketchUp files. It might be in your documents or somewhere else depending on where you save them. So I'm going to click on documents, and all of my SketchUp files are going to have this little red icon next to them, which represent the little SketchUp file icon, which is the little red and white steps. So I want all of these files that are saved on my hard drive, which is this PC and my C drive, and I want to take them off of here and I want to put them into my cloud account in my Office 365 account. So I've got my documents, I got my SketchUp files that I want. I'm going to minimize this, so I'm going to press the little minus sign at the top right hand corner, minimize everything else I don't need. I'm going to go to my vPortal account, give that a second to load. I'm going to go to my Office 365 account. This is going to have a whole bunch of different icons you can pick from, but we want our cloud saving place. So we want our OneDrive, and it even has a little picture of a cloud on it. So I'm going to click on OneDrive. And I already have some folders here, but now you can make your own folders if you don't have any. And you just got to give it a second to load. There we go. I'm going to click the little plus sign that says New. Create a new folder or document in this location. So I'm going to click New, Folder, and I'm going to change my name to whatever it is that you're saving. So these are going to be my SketchUp files. So SketchUp files, and so I'm going to probably put the school year, and SMS for Southwestern Middle, and click Create. Then I should be able to find it. Here it is. SketchUp files 2018-19 SMS. So I'm going to click in here, and notice that it's empty right now. So a super easy. There's a lot of different ways that you can do this. You can click the upload button and then search your computer, or you can go and make this half your screen by clicking this little middle button right here, and open up that other file folder that we had earlier, where I have my documents and I have all my SketchUp files. And I want to select all of these. And again, there's a couple ways you can do it. I'm just going to show you one. So you can click on one, and then don't double click. You just want to single click. Hold Control, and then click all the ones that you want to upload. So I'm going to click all of these SketchUp files that I have saved onto my desktop. Sorry, not my desktop, my documents folder on my desktop computer. I don't have to copy this. I don't have to right click or anything. I just now left click and drag it, and notice it says 18 on there. That means I got 18 files that I'm copying, and I drag it over into my new Office 365 OneDrive folder that I just made, and I let go. And notice up here it says uploading 18 items. So you don't want to close out of anything until this is totally done uploading. And I think that was it. That popped up already. And these are all my SketchUp files. And now these are all in my Office 365 OneDrive in the cloud. So if I need to work on any of these files from a different computer, I can now do that from any computer that I can sign in with the internet. And if you got any other questions, make sure you check out the other video I made on how to access a new SketchUp file and save it to the cloud. Thanks for watching.